Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of area of composite figures. This is standard 7.9C in the great state of Texas, and we're using item number 12 of the 2024 released STAAR test. This is a new item type called equation, and if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we have this composite figure. This is a strange table here, and it's made up of triangles, rectangles. We've got our dimensions here, and we simply need to find the area of the top of the table. So it's a composite figure. So there's a few different ways we can break this down. And let me go ahead and just bring up our reference chart in case we need it, right? So we have area of a rectangle, right? So I'm going to go ahead and write that on right here. So the area of a triangle as well. The area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. Okay, we've got the area of a rectangle. It's base times height. And then trapezoid. We might need that. Maybe not. We'll see. 1/2. And then you see we've got the base 1 plus base 2 and then height. All right, those are the big ones. So let's see what we've got here. One way to think about this is just to break it up in a whole bunch of small little pieces, right? So I could say I've got a triangle here, and I've got a triangle here. So each of those are going to use the 1/2 base times height. Okay, so this area right here is going to be 1/2. My base is 30, and my height is also 30. So that's going to be 1/2 of 900. So that's going to be 450. Okay, and that's going to be inches squared. Both of these triangles are the exact same dimensions, 30 and 30, so I'm going to put this down also as 450 inches squared. Now we can cut this this kind of C shape, this backward C shape in a few different ways. I'm going to cut it into two rectangles like this. Okay, so my area is going to equals base times height. My base is going to be, I'm going to use this right here because this is also that same length. 100 times, right, the height is 30. So my area is going to equal that 3,000 inches squared. So if this is 3,000 inches squared, then this is 3,000 inches squared. Which means we're simply left with this little guy right here, and they give it to you right here as a 30 by 30. So that's going to equal base times height. So that's 30 times 30, which equals 900. All right, so now it looks like we've got all of our things here. I've got 450, 450, 450 and 450 make 900. So I've got it. Those two triangles make 900. This is 900. And then I've got two 3,000s, so that makes 6,000, right? So it looks like I've got 7,800. Now, is there a different way to do that? Well, yeah. We got a trapezoid right here. Take a look at this. These are two trapezoids. So let's figure out what those two are. These two trapezoids, I'll do those in green, right? It's going to be 1/2. What's my base 1? Well, my base 1 is going to be this 100, right? So we'll do that. Plus, that's a 100 plus 30. That's 130. And then my height is still going to be the 30. So that's going to be 1/2 of 230 times 30. I'll take half of 30. That's going to be 15. So really, I'm going to do 15 times 230. Let's see what that's going to be. 15, it's 11, 230. So I'm sitting at 504. All right, 3450 for this one. And I've got 3450 for that one, which gives us 6,900. And I've got 900 right there. I still need to get this little guy. You put those together, guess what you get? The same thing. 7,800. That is our answer.